Hello all, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset the software of a Tesla Model S 2015 model. I had some issues with the software. The buttons, the touch buttons weren't functioning correctly and the scrolling was a problem. And after resetting the software, it worked for me, and I'm going to show you how you can do it for yourself. And hopefully it works for you also. First of all, you must have the key inside the car, of course. Then there are two buttons over here, the left and the right scroll button. Press them simultaneously for a few seconds, and after a few seconds you'll see that the screen goes black. And once it goes black, it starts to reset the software of a Tesla, and you have to be patient for a few minutes to come back again. As you can see, it started to come back. The logo of Tesla is starting to come back, and after the startup, it also takes a few minutes. In my case, it was 1 minute. Yes, finally, this took also for about 2 minutes to come back. Let's see if it's functioning correctly. Before it didn't function. I had to press multiple times to function, and now, as you can see, all the buttons function again correctly. That was it for today. I want to thank you for your time watching this video, and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.